It's a grade 4 scale, so we've got F major in the right hand. Here is middle C, just out of the picture. So I'm just on the F above middle C. Thumb on F, you're going to line your fingers up. 1, 2 on G, 3 on A flat, 4 on B. And this one is an unusual scale because you normally go 1, 2, 3 swing, but this one, because of where the black notes are, you have to swing later from finger 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, swing your thumb to C, 2 on the D flat, 3 on the E, so there's a gap there, and then thumb again swings to F. Now you're like at the beginning again, 2 on G, 3 on A flat, 4 on B flat, swing your thumb to C, 2 on D flat, 3 on E, mind the gap, and we're actually stopping with finger 4 on the top. So very unusual pattern. Turning straight around, 3 on E, mind the gap, 2 to D flat, thumb on C, 4 over onto B flat, 3 A flat, 2 G, thumb F, 3 on E, 2 stretches to D flat, thumb on C, 4 over B flat, 3 on A flat, 2 on G, thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, swing, 2, 3, 4, swing, 2, 3, 4. Turn around, over with 4 on the B flat, 3 on the E, mind the gap, 4 on the B flat. One more time without talking.